Hi, I'm Stu, and welcome to the first video tutorial of 2026. In this video tutorial, this is more of a kind of onboarding to the new free membership platform. And I'm just going to give you a tour of the revamped website and how you can go about joining as a free member and downloading assets effectively. In this case, the Jack Jumper stuff that I've got here, that's from this tutorial. So obviously I've got a 4K video clip, another 4K effects asset, different sound effects that I've created for you. And we've also got other assets that you can use for creating your own videos. Welcome to the revamped website, and as you'll see, we now have a free membership section. Now, apart from the join free and the member login buttons here, you can also go to the bottom of the screen, and I've got join free and member login button there, and in the main menu on the left hand side, we've got them there as well. Now, why do you want to have a free membership? We go into products and you'll see we have build a cinematic portal effect. These are the project assets for the video tutorial you're now watching. And what you need to do to get access to these, if I just tap on them, you'll see they're locked off, is you need to join the website. Now, I've done this for various reasons, mainly to consolidate where everything is and have everything a little bit more organized than before. I want to just sort of state just now, this isn't a money grab situation. This is completely free. I'm investing in you guys because I know you guys have been investing in me. I'm basically going to be creating video tutorials now whereby you get project assets. So to access these, you're going to need to join. So tap on join free. Now, everything in this Shopify store works like a product. So if you see 00 and whatever local currency you have, then basically you know it's going to be free. So all you have to do is put in your full name, add to cart, and you'll see if you don't put in your full name, you will not be allowed to add to cart. Checkout. Now, you'll not be asked for any monies, and you can of course use Pay with Shop, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or your credit card details. These are purely to identify you as a genuine human being and not a bot. No money is getting taken, and there's no recurring fees or anything like that. And once you basically come in and you join, then you have to log in. So obviously you can tap on member login, put in your information. I think that's the correct one for me. It sends you a 6-digit code. And then once you're into your membership, as you can see here, free membership, you can then go back to products and anything that has 00, and you'll see there's a few things at the moment. I've even put the sample pack for Cinephonic Volume 1, tucked it into the free membership as well. Again, it just keeps everything in the same place. So there's your free membership that you've just gone through. So if we go to build a cinematic portal effect, tap on that, you'll now see you're taken to the proper product page. And this is what I want to do for most of the video tutorials that I'll be doing this year, apart from the little shorts that I tend to do. But if it's a proper video tutorial, I want to give you assets that are part of a full edit. And not only will we be working on it from one video tutorial or like one effect or one technique, we'll actually be doing multiple techniques. So you're actually working along with me on the same project. It allows you to have a go, see what I'm doing. You can take it beyond what I'm even doing. And also it's an option for you to then ask questions about the project. Now, sometimes I'll actually give you whole project files. Other times it will just be the assets. So with these, again, you want to add to cart, just follow the same procedure as before, checkout, buy what you want to buy. Again, the credit card information of Apple Pay, Google Pay, that kind of thing is purely just to make sure that you're a human being. You're sent an email link, you can download the assets, and that means you can then follow on with the video tutorial. Each new video tutorial sort of sequence, once we've done one, so the likes of this one, I'll probably have maybe 2, 3, 4 parts. I'm not sure at the moment, but I'm definitely going to break it down into different techniques. I will then release a new video tutorial with a new set of assets. So there we go. That is the new revamped website, and there will of course be other things put up into the free membership. On a Thursday, I will be live streaming, and the first one's going to be this Thursday coming. And as I'm popping my YouTube streaming virginity, be gentle with me because I've never done this before. I've done a few tests. I've done a lot of tests actually over the last few years about streaming, but never actually gone public before. So we will see how that goes. Anyway, to get back to the tutorial at hand, the first thing you need to be doing is dropping the main spine of the video, which is the Jack Jumper 4K asset, down onto the timeline. And you'll see there's a deliberate sort of glitchiness look about it, and that was added into the prompt. And what we need to do is copy this layer because we need to be able to basically make our guy here disappear. So we'll do Command D, that then gives us a duplicate layer. We're then going to go into Frame and Fit. I'm going to use the crop options, and I'm just going to pull the right hand crop and just sort of line it up with the lamp. You'll see when I play it through. This is happening just now because we've got a duplicate. So what we're going to have to do is come back out for a second and make a cut here. Get rid of all that footage, we don't need it. Go into speed and reverse and freeze the left hand side clip. And then we can now afford to stretch that all the way along the main timeline clip. Just make sure that's snapping to the end correctly. And then if I've got things right, he will now disappear, which is what we need. So that gets the ball rolling for us. In the next part, we will build upon all of the settings and add all of the elements in and get a sort of glitchy look going forward for this little edit. If you enjoyed the video tutorial today, give it a like, share. By all means, leave a comment below. I'll catch you on the next one on Thursday, as well as 10 AM UK time. I'll be live on the channel for around about an hour or so. See you later.